is the ding here. You can see it's a sharp little ding. And this is the access that I used for the repair. It's a factory access, and this is the tool that I used. When I push the dent out, I'm trying to push that little sharp center out, and this is what I got. It came out high. I have to tap it down. And here, this is what I got when I tap it down. It's a little softer. Trying to push that little center out, all the details. Tapping down, a lot of pushing, a lot of tapping. A little more pushing to make it flat. And this is the final result right here. The customer was there, super happy. All done on his driveway. Mobile services. All paintless dent removal. This is before again, and this is after. For a free estimate, please text us a picture of the damaged area to 760-522-3101. Thanks for watching.